How to see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. To view a Wi-Fi password on Android, go to Settings and select the Wi-Fi. Tap the gear icon next to your connected network, or tap the network name itself. Tap Share the QR code icon. Use your fingerprint, PIN, or password to verify your identity. The password will be displayed below the QR code on the screen. Just like this.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.